Hi guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. It's another day, another gala.
For today's video, tara, samahan niyo muna ako magkape at mag-relax dito sa isang kapihan na talaga namang sikat at dinarayo. Na talaga naman nagtitrending dahil sa napakaganda nitong spot for dining or events dahil meron tong spacious and breathtaking overlooking view na perfect for sunset and night city views. So let's go and discover the Vista Cafe. At matatagpuan nga ito sa bayan ng Angono, Rizal sa loob ng The Peak Harmony Home Subdivision. For the commute, magpapabalang kayo dito sa may Shell gas station or dito sa may grocery store ng Dali. And then sa gilid nito, merong terminal ng tricycle. Sakay kayo dito and magpahatid na kayo pa Vista Cafe. Pamasahe is 30 pesos each. So from Metro Manila, it's 1 hour drive away. Kaya naman, marami na ding riders ang dumadayo dito. Isa na nga rin ito sa must visit cafe and restaurant dito sa Rizal. And no worries sa parking, meron silang malawak na pay parking area. And welcome to Vista Cafe. Take note guys, no entrance fee dito and all walk-ins are welcome. As you step inside, bubungad sa'yo ang napakaluwag at maaliwalas na dining area. With its minimalist and cozy ambience, perfect nga ito for any events or occasions. And isa nga sa mga highlight dito ay ang kanilang Christmas centerpiece na perfect for picture taking and very insta-worthy.
Outside the snow is falling, such a beautiful sight. But all I see that is crystal clear isn't painted in my mind. I hear the bells are ringing, there's presents all around. But all of this, it don't mean nothing if he's not back in town. The mistletoe looks lonely without him here to hold me. I can't believe it's the best time of the year, 'cause it don't feel like Christmas if he ain't near. So Santa, can you hear my wish? It's first up on my Christmas list. Can you hear me? I need to know. Please bring my baby home. Santa, can you hear my prayer? I know you're working hard.
Now, the best highlight of Vista Cafe is the outdoor dining area. Very spacious, perfect spot to bring your fur babies while enjoying the fresh air and waiting for the beautiful sunset view. Kaya naman, kung naghahanap ka na perfect tambayan, kainan, presko ang paligid, napakaganda at very insta-worthy every corner. Dito na yan sa Vista Cafe. Habang dumidilim na nga ang paligid, unti-unti namang lumiliwanag dito sa Vista Cafe. Mas lalo nang nakakabighani yung lugar dahil sa mga pailaw nito at saka yung sunset view. It's really giving, nakakawala ng stress, sobrang good vibes, and mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga. Pagsapit ng gabi, you will surely appreciate the lights, the ambience, and the overlooking city view. I'm sure that you will create good memories here in Vista Cafe. Plus, they have this stunning LED light 1000 roses that light up the outdoor area. As the sun sets, these beautiful lights turn on, creating a magical and romantic atmosphere.
Street lights glowing bright, shadows come alive. City never sleeps, no Taylor Swift shining star. Lost in endless dreams, neon colors gleam. Dancing till the sunrise, Taylor Swift shining star. Ooh, we drift away, in the night we stay. Sparkling stars will guide us.
Hindi lang magandang view ang meron dito sa Vista Cafe, they also offer iba't ibang klase ng masasarap na dishes, refreshing drinks at desserts. Nabusog ka na, satisfied pa ang cravings mo. Perfect talaga ang combination ng masarap na pagkain at nakaka-relax na ambience dito. Kaya naman isama mo na ang Vista Cafe sa bucket list mo ng gala at food this Christmas break. Perfect ito for bonding with family and friends or even just for a quiet escape to relax and unwind. Siguradong sulit ang experience mo dito, promise. Open sila from Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. And you may visit their official Facebook page for more details and updates. Happy holidays everyone! Thank you for watching!